Welcome to KW Tiny Homes, modern tiny homes and accessory dwelling units in the USA. Turnkey, durable, and affordable. Looking to simplify your life or expand your space? Discover KW Tiny Homes, where functionality meets modern design. From cozy retreats to practical studios, efficient home offices, and compact small business spaces, our expandable prefab tiny homes and accessory dwelling units are crafted to suit your every need. Complete turnkey solutions, delivered ready to use with a smooth, hassle-free experience from inquiry to installation. Long-lasting quality, built for 30-plus years of durability, with a solid 3-year warranty for peace of mind. Versatile applications. Use it as a home, studio, office, Airbnb rental, guest suite, or secure storage unit. Available across many U.S. states, we proudly serve clients in multiple states with prompt delivery and expert service. Special offer. For a limited time, receive a free 12,000 BTU air conditioner with every unit purchase. Don't miss this chance to stay cool in your new space. Whether you're building your dream tiny home or adding valuable space to your property, KW Tiny Homes is your trusted partner. Explore innovative options like Apple cabins and expandable prefabricated container structures designed to adapt with you. Your dream tiny space is just a call or click away. Visit the official website at kwtinyhomes.com or call us to get started today.